Good morning. Coming up on 451, time to take a look at market activity, overnight trade. John Heinberg of Stuart Peterson joining us. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Nick.
Where are we trading at here in the early hours of Wednesday?
We got the mixed grain trade this morning. Corn futures, bean futures, seeing pressure 1 to 2 lower. A little bit of a bid in the wheat pit, but not a whole lot of strength there so far. So pretty quiet overnight.
Well, now yesterday, some of the headlines were the strong dollar, the good weather for winter wheat, and of course the bird flu epidemic, reducing some demand for feed grains. Is that, in your opinion, a major factor?
Well, it's early, and we're in a situation now too. You got a very negative mindset in the markets. Obviously, we're seeing weather improving in certain areas in terms of getting planting going on the corn market, so that's going to keep pressure there. Then we had the bird flu. It really was, it's been in the news for a couple of weeks, but then we had that large operation in Iowa come down with this here a couple of days ago, and that kind of maybe opened up some traders. So there are some possible concerns there, but realistically, when you look at the meat bird population, we kill about 8.5 billion with a B birds every year. So we're looking at a very small percentage, but when you got a market that's got a pretty negative mindset, it's kind of one of those situations where good news is bad and worse news or bad news is worse. So that's going to keep a little bit of pressure on both corn and beans here, at least in terms of the feed usage side.
All right. Over on the livestock side, where do we begin? Where do you expect us to begin today for cattle?
Oh, cattle, we're kind of chopping around here, but the charts have taken a pretty big hit technically. Obviously, we're still dealing with a whole lot of different factors. You got supply, you got cash side of things being still fairly strong. But then I'm a little worried about the technical side again. When momentum kind of changes, that can really take some money out of this market in a pretty big hurry, as we saw last week and into Monday. So today could be kind of an interesting day. Had some good support yesterday, but we'll see if that was just a little bit of a profit-taking bounce off that shorts. On the hog side, real strong day yesterday. Again, some of the bird flu may have got them a bit of a bid, but realistically, if we're losing exports on poultry, that's unfortunately just going to add some more meat back into the meat picture, which is getting pretty full anyway. So long run, it could be a bit of a negative.
All right, very good. Interesting analysis there. Thank you. John Heinberg, Stuart Peterson. Have a good day in the markets.
Thank you.
You bet. All right, coming up next, we're going to take a look at soil temperatures and a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.